What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and I want to talk about Infinity Processing System. This opportunity is changing people's lives. As you can see right here, I made another $300 commission. You can see right here, and this happened 4 hours ago. And so I am super excited with this opportunity because it's not just me creating results, but if you go to our Facebook group, if you would like me to add you to my Facebook group, send me a direct message so I can introduce you to the community. But I'm super excited to be sharing this information with you and what it is, right? I've set it up in such a way, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek on how you can get started with the team. But this is what you're going to get access to, pretty much breaking down my six-figure blueprint, exactly showing you what strategies I have used that allow me to make my first six figures online. I show you how to close your sales. I show you pretty much how to copy and paste my exact method, right, where you can position yourself to earn $300 per commission, $150 per commission, and $50 per commission. So we're going to talk about exactly what Infinity Processing System is and how you can get started today and start changing your life. So let's go ahead and just go over the main factors about Infinity Processing System. Awesome thing is that there are no monthly fees, right? A lot of people love that there are no monthly fees. And awesome thing is that you earn 100% of the commissions. And you don't have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid. You can get paid that same exact day, straight into your PayPal account or Cash App or Venmo or Zelle or whatever other payment method you'd like to use. So let me go ahead and extend this right here. Earn 100% commissions. And really cool thing is that you earn, right, the highest level coming in at the pro level, which is the most popular level since people don't want to miss out on any commissions. Earn $300 per commission, right? If you're somebody that already has a high ticket opportunity and you want to have something to offer to your audience that is mid ticket, right, but you can still make six figures with, a $300 program, you can position yourself with Infinity Processing System. And one of the really awesome things that I get a lot of feedback on from my team members is that a lot of people tell you what you need to do, right? But what a lot of the times it's lacking, they don't show you how to do it. And with Infinity Processing System, if you're somebody that has no experience, if you have no idea what you're doing, if you have been, doing a whole ton of things, with whatever other business opportunities you've been trying to promote and you're not getting results, right? With Infinity Processing System, you can come in, you can be part of the team, and you can start learning and then start earning as well. Because, I just don't tell you what you need to be doing, but I show you how to do it, which is the most important thing other than having the right mindset, right? So you earn $300 per commission. And really cool thing is that we have live coaching sessions, right? Live coaching sessions. So let me just go ahead and explain to you, it depends what type of goal you're trying to reach. What is your monthly income goal? That is my question. That's what I ask a lot of people that want to get started with the team. Okay. If you're promoting a small $25 ticket opportunity, I mean, that's awesome. You're making maybe an extra $25 a day. That's fine. But if your target goal, let's say your target goal is to earn $5,000 per month, okay, let's say that you come in at the pro level, okay, which is a one-time payment of $300, and you get access to my six-figure blueprint where I reveal exactly what what strategies I'm doing to make six figures online. So let's say you come in at the pro level and your monthly income goal is $5,000, okay? Let's divide that by 300. You would only need, right, 16 sales per month to reach that target goal. Now, let's say that you're only promoting a small $25 product opportunity and your monthly income goal is $5,000. Let's divide that by 25. Okay, you would need 200 sales to be able to hit your target goal. Do you see the huge difference right there? And you're literally putting the same type of effort, you're putting the same amount of time, right, to grow your business, but here you are earning the small $25 commissions versus only needing 16 $300 sales to meet your $5,000 monthly income goal. I hope you're seeing the huge difference and what it can really do for your business and how you can start, get to hit your target goal faster when you have a business that is a mid-ticket, right? And you get tons of value. Okay, so really cool thing. One of my team members here, Melvin, he's been really awesome. He commented on one of my Facebook stories while I was at the beach, and he messaged me, "Hey, where's your surfboard?" And then he just said, "Just closed another sale. Your script really does work." And this is a script that I've been using, okay, since the beginning. I developed this script that I've been using since I quit my 9 to 5 job. And I pretty much show you exactly what type of qualifying questions to ask and to close that sale, to take them from being just a prospect, a lead, somebody that is interested, to somebody that says, "Hey, I am ready to join now." That's the exact script I'm going to give you inside of my 6-figure blueprint, coming in at the pro level. And so you can see right here, he made another $150 commission. And he's been messaging me, telling me, this is his fourth message that he sends to me. He made another 2 $300 commissions in the other messages that he sent me, and he's telling me, "Hey, I'm using your script. It really does work." So if you're somebody that is struggling, you're putting all the effort, you're putting all the work, and you still don't know how to close your sales by just asking simple qualifying questions, you want to get started. Even if you don't want to even promote Infinity Processing System, but you just want to gain the knowledge, right? The knowledge, what helped me get to my first 6 figures, you can absolutely do that. Starting today. You're going to be added to our Facebook proof group. You're going to be added to our live coaching session group as well. You can see right here, this group is growing rapidly. A ton of team members making commissions. You can see here, people are welcoming them left and right. And I'm just super excited for everything that is happening within the team. And we have, here he is. Here we go. Melvin here again. 2 $300 sales, and he's just super excited about that. So I'm excited. It's a good day. We're gonna make it happen. It's only April, so you still have tons of time to crush your goals for this year. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a direct message on Facebook. But other than that, take action, and I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.